Vip-1 devices. Models Vip-1.2 and Vip-1.3. Used for in-process monitoring of the water permeability grade of concrete based on its airtightness, according to GHOST 12730.5-2018. For use in the concrete industry and in the construction of concrete and reinforced concrete structures operated in conditions of high humidity or in aqueous environments. Vip-1.3. Using a second vacuum chamber as a security perimeter, with Vip-1.3 you can determine vacuum levels. The device consists of a single block with two built-in ultra-compact vacuum pumps, a measuring unit, and an electronic unit. The measuring unit consists of a central chamber for preliminary evacuation and an external security chamber, taking the form of two hollow, hermetically isolated cylinders with flanges. Handles and controls, relief valve and main valve. On the lateral surface, there is a technological plug used to calibrate the device. The electronic unit is mounted on the upper front end of the device, has a 9-key keyboard, a liquid crystal display, and a USB interface to enable connection to a computer via a standard cable. Before using the device and taking measurements, the operational parameters must be set. To do this, turn on the power to the device. Select the most suitable name for the test object from the list of options, or, using the service program, give the object your preferred name. Select the material on which the tests will be conducted. Choose the operating mode of the device. W for determining the water permeability of concrete. WH, a combined mode for determining the water permeability of concrete and the vacuum level. Before installing the device on the object, measure and store the current atmospheric pressure in the device's memory. To do this, open the main valve, access the atmospheric pressure menu, and press the M key. The device remembers the current pressure and will use this data in calculations until the operation is repeated. Measurements. Prepare the surface of the test material at the installation site so that there are no visible traces of moisture, grease, or waterproofing materials, cement mortar film, or irregularities exceeding 3 mm in height. Close the main valve. Turn the device over so that the camera flange is facing up and lay it on a horizontal surface. Use the sealing mastic included in the set to prepare a strip with a diameter of 6 to 8 mm and at least 300 mm in length. When measuring the airtightness of the concrete and determining its water permeability grade, the strip is placed on the surface of the flange of the inner perimeter, surrounding the measuring chamber. When conducting tests in the combined measurement mode used to determine the water permeability grade of the concrete and the vacuum level, a mastic strip is also placed on the outer flange to seal the security chamber. Turn the device so that the lower surface of the chamber is facing down, and press it against the prepared surface on the object with a force of 35 to 40 kilograms. In this case, the mastic strip should be distributed evenly and thinly over the contact surface of the flange and the surface of the material. Access the measurement mode and press the M key. The display will show the current absolute pressure inside the chamber and a message advising you to check the position of the main valve. It must be closed before evacuation. Evacuate the measuring chamber by pressing the M key. Once the required air discharge has been created in the preliminary evacuation chamber, a message will appear on the display with a prompt to start registration. Start the measurement. First, press the M key, then open the main valve. After taking the measurement, the device will automatically calculate the resistance to air penetration, the vacuum level, and the water permeability grade. This information will be displayed and stored in the device's memory. At the end of the test, press the F key to exit and return to the main menu. Then, activate measurement mode by pressing the M key. Next, press the vacuum reset button. Ensure that the pressure in the chamber is equal to atmospheric pressure. Exit measurement mode by pressing the F button and pull the device by its handles to remove it from the object. Warning: The device must not be removed from the test object by rotating it around its axis. This may cause a malfunction. Collect the mastic from the chamber flange and the surface of the object. Sealing mastic can be used many times provided that foreign inclusions are first removed. Transferring data to a computer. The device is equipped with a USB interface to enable it to be connected to a computer. The special service software allows you to save and archive test results, view graphs displaying changes in the vacuum pressure in the measuring chamber, create and print measurement reports, program the names and properties of unnamed materials. Every time you connect the device to a computer via a USB cable, battery charging is activated.